How to make contact photo full screen on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap on any of your contact. Here, you can view this person's contact information such as their name, photo, number, and more. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Photo below their profile photo. And then, tap on Photos. You can choose a photo from your camera roll to set it as their profile photo on your phone. Select the photo that you like. Over here, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Tap on Extend Poster. As you can see, this poster is now extended to full screen. Tap on Done at the top. After previewing, tap on Continue below. And then, tap on Continue below. And then, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily make contact photo full screen on iPhone.